Identify at-risk customers with PSXLink. At-risk customers can quickly be identified utilizing the activity reports section of PSX. In this portion of the system, there are several reports available. These reports can be set up to be emailed automatically to any recipient at a frequency at which they choose. Here you can see that there are gross profit percent, order trend, return, and sales trend reports available. We will look at a decreased net sales volume report here. On this report, we will look at 4 months worth of data. Any account that has spent $1,500 or more between January 20th and April 16th will be analyzed. If their sales have dropped 10% or more between April 16th and May 17th, they will be presented on the report. Here you can see there are 27 records on this report. When this report is presented to a user, it will give them a net decrease dollar amount. Here you can see we got over $64,000 in possible loss of sales. Below, each account is presented with the last order date, the number of orders, and daily averages in the previous 3 months, as well as the current month. Below, you can see that this represents a possible loss of $10,000 or more. From there, a sales rep can take CRM action utilizing a commitment objective to reach out to this customer and get them back on track.